Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Clay County in northern Texas, southeastern Wichita County in northern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shepherd Air Force Base, moving east at 30 miles an hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Expected hazards include up to 3-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Wichita Falls, Brick Burnett, Henrietta, Iowa Park, Petrolia, Dean, Jolly, Shepherd Air Force Base, Pleasant Valley, and Cashin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. 82. The National Weather Service in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Glasscock County in western Texas, northeastern Midland County in western Texas, southwestern Howard County in western Texas, southeastern Martin County in western Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Time. At 5:18 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southeast of Greenwood, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Forson, Lomax, and Elbow. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 4 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Gramfield and Loveland. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.